Types of rainfall. There are three types of rainfall, that is, relief, convectional, and frontal. Relief rainfall is also known as orographic rain. It occurs when air carrying moisture is blown over a highland such as a mountain. This causes the air to cool and the moisture in the air to condense and form rain. The side of the mountain that receives rain is known as the windward side. When the wind gets to the other side of the mountain, it is dry. This side receives no rain and it is called the leeward side or the rain shadow. Convectional rainfall occurs when hot air carrying moisture rises in convection currents. When it reaches high altitude, it cools, condenses, and forms rain. This type of rainfall occurs in the tropics and interior of continents. It is associated with hail and thunderstorms. Frontal rainfall is also known as cyclonic. It occurs when two masses of air meet, one cold and the other warm. The layer where the two meet is called the front, hence the name frontal. The warm air is light and it is forced to rise over the cold air. As it rises, the moisture in it cools and condenses, forming the rain. This rain can last for a few hours to a few days.